Managing teams in different time zones with ease can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're coordinating across a few countries or managing a global team, effective time zone management is key to maximizing productivity and ensuring smooth communication. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it with ease. And by the end, you'll have practical tips to implement right away. Stick around till the end for a special offer that'll make managing your team even easier. First, let's talk about a tool that'll help you manage those time zone differences effortlessly. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not utilizing the right software to streamline scheduling and communication. The software we'll be using today simplifies everything, from scheduling meetings to keeping track of different time zones. And guess what? You can get an exclusive free trial for this software, available only to my viewers. The link is in the description. Now, when it comes to managing teams in different time zones, the key is setting clear expectations. Make sure everyone knows the time zone you're working in and be transparent about your availability. When working with remote teams, it's important to avoid scheduling meetings that put any team member at a disadvantage. Use tools that automatically adjust for the time zones to avoid confusion. Another tip is to establish overlapping hours for your team to collaborate. Depending on where your team members are located, there may only be a few hours each day where everyone is available. Use these overlapping hours wisely, ensuring that the most important tasks are handled during these windows. Don't force everyone to work at inconvenient hours. This will just lead to burnout and frustration. Next, it's crucial to document everything. When your team is spread out, miscommunication can easily happen. Use project management software to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. This way, even if someone is not available at a certain time, they can catch up on progress and tasks when they log on later. The software we'll be using today has built-in features that allow you to assign tasks and deadlines that work across time zones without issues. A big one to consider is flexible work hours. Not everyone thrives in the same schedule, and flexibility is key when managing teams in different time zones. Allow your team members to adjust their schedules to when they're most productive. Flexibility can lead to better output, and it allows your team to manage personal and professional commitments more effectively. Now, let's talk about communication tools. Since your team may be working at different times, it's essential to have tools in place for asynchronous communication. This means using tools where team members can leave updates, feedback, or comments that others can review when they're available. Tools like this help ensure that nothing is missed and that the flow of communication remains smooth, even with time zone differences. Lastly, always be considerate of time zone differences when planning. Try to rotate meeting times to make sure no one is always at a disadvantage. Over time, this will keep your team feeling more balanced and appreciated, and it will foster a more cooperative work environment. Key takeaway: managing teams across time zones with ease requires a combination of the right software, clear communication, overlapping hours, flexibility, and efficient tools for collaboration. Stay organized, stay flexible, and ensure everyone is on the same page with tools that help streamline your workflow. To recap, use a software that adjusts for time zones automatically, establish overlapping working hours, document everything for clarity, allow for flexibility in schedules, and maintain open communication through asynchronous tools. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today. It's in the description below and available only to viewers of this channel. Take advantage of it to help manage your teams in different time zones with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.